Today we're taking a look at the Space Rest Bidet Wand Sprayer. The company sent this to us so we could show you how it works. So what we're going to do first is kind of go through the install and then show some of the features that it has. So we just got it installed, probably took about 5 minutes to do. Really the main part of it is just adding that T on there so that this can tee off. So it's just attaching the T to the toilet, reattach your main line to it, and then attach the hose line to it. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. They have a hanger that you can either hang on the side of the toilet or you can attach it to the wall. Super easy to install. In terms of use, it has a nice little angle to it, so you can kind of change the angle. It also has 2 valves on it, so you have the on-off on the wand itself, but then there's also an off switch right off the T where the line goes in. There is a pressure adjustment. As you're turning it on more, it just gets stronger. So it actually has a pretty strong flow once you get all the way open. So you can adjust it if you just want a little bit of flow, or you turn it up and you can kind of get more flow out of it. It's a really useful tool in the bathroom. I mean, obviously you can use it as a bidet, but you can also use it for cleaning or, washing pets. It's a handy wand to have.